Hello, let me show you a video of this Hunter bathroom dressing room ceiling fan in our living room with new lights on it. So we're going to demonstrate the light. I put the new lights in it yesterday. It looked way cooler than the original. The shades are right there. Alright, gonna show you no speeds. Here's low speed. Has a pretty slow low. Like it's the slowest movement in the house, but it does move a lot of air. Here's medium. Okay, and here's high. This fan has a small wobble to it. It wobbles only a little bit. It's not too bad of a wobble, but that's it with the lights on. See how like it shakes a little bit? These lights are very, very bright. It really just lights the whole room up. Good. Turn it off along with the lights. And now that's this Hunter bathroom dressing room ceiling fan with the new lights. It's the same light kit, but I just took the shades off and just put these new like I put floodlight bulbs in it. Makes it look way cool, and it lights this room a lot more than the old lights. And then when I do the old bulb, I put them in this lamp right here. See, I put the 3 old bulbs in this lamp right here. Also put a floodlight in this lamp, this light over here. Just marking this pin down. If the video just randomly ends, it's because my phone storage is getting full. So if the video does really end because the phone storage is getting full, just gonna watch this fan spin down. And then it has like a quick spin down. Where it's about to stop. And alright, it stopped. Alright, that's this Hunter bathroom dressing room fan with the new light. I like them way better than the old ones. So this is gonna be it for this video.